In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant if it keeps crashing in the middle of your games. The first thing we need to do is change your Windows power plan. Start by opening Control Panel from Windows Search, then go into Power Options, choose High Performance. If it's hidden, expand Show Additional Plans first. This can use more battery on laptops, so switch it back later if needed. Launch Valorant and test another match. If it still crashes, the next thing we want to do is update your graphics driver. Right-click your Start menu, select Task Manager, select Performance on the left, choose GPU, and find your manufacturer and model. If you have multiple GPUs listed, check each one because you may need to update both. Go to the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel driver page. I'll include links in the description. Download the latest stable driver that matches your exact GPU and Windows version. Make sure to close Valorant and the Riot client before running the installer. Complete the recommended installation. Your screen may flicker or briefly turn black while the driver is replaced. And once it finishes, restart your computer and wait for the Windows desktop to reappear. Then test Valorant again. If it still crashes mid-game, the last thing we're going to do is isolate conflicting background services with a clean boot. Press the Windows key and R together. In the box that shows up, type msconfig and press enter. Inside System Configuration, open the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services, then Disable All. Now find VGC in the list and check its box again. Valorant requires this Vanguard service, so leaving it disabled can stop the game from launching. Select Apply, choose OK, and restart your computer. Once Windows loads, open Valorant and test another match. If the crashing stops, one of the disabled background services caused the conflict. Re-enable them in small groups to identify it. When you're finished testing, return to System Configuration and select Normal Startup. If Valorant still crashes after all three fixes, use the Riot Repair tool to collect your logs and attach them to a Riot support ticket. If your entire PC restarts, shows a stop code, or becomes unusually hot, the problem may be with Windows, a driver, overheating, or your hardware instead of Valorant alone. You now know how to fix Valorant crashing in the middle of your games. Please consider subscribing and liking the video to help others find this fix too.